Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss 10 question. Please watch full video. First question is who get Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2023? Answer Daniel Barenboim. Question 2 which is the costliest city in India? Answer Mumbai. Mumbai is the costliest city in India. Next question which is the biggest city in India? Answer is not Kolkata. Answer is Delhi. Okay. Next question. Who is the Director General of Border Security Force? Answer Nitin Agarwal. Question 5. Where is Eiffel Tower located? Answer France. Sixth question. Which is first metal used by human? Answer copper. 7 question. Question number 7. Who invented telephone? Answer Graham Bell. Question 8. Which is the largest country in Which is the largest country in world? In the world. WORLD world. Answer is Russia. Answer is Russia. Which is the largest country in world? In the world. Answer is Russia. Answer is Russia. Next question. Which vitamin help to form of RBC? Answer vitamin E. Next question. 9 number question. Which vitamin helps absorb calcium? Answer vitamin D. Next questions. Which vitamin stored in our body? In our body. In our body from sunlight. Answer is vitamin D. Thank you.